Hello. In this video, we're going to be talking about how an admin in DeltaNet 6 would create DeltaNet Academy training courses and the updated process and workflow for how an admin is going to create DeltaNet Academy courses in the updated DeltaNet 7 admin workflow. Previously, a company administrator could click on their admin home tab and scroll down to DeltaNet Academy. All of the settings related to DeltaNet Academy would be found here, like being able to rename the system and seeing a list of all the training courses that were within DeltaNet Academy, and even being able to see a list of the agents that were in the system that had been assigned training courses and if they had completed courses or if they were past due on those courses. So everything was found in the scrolling tabbed list of the DeltaNet Academy widget. And if you wanted to add new training courses, you would click on the new course button and you would be able to set the course name, the office it was affiliated with, and which user roles should see this course, add thumbnails, course descriptions, and as you would go through, it would allow you to start to create different modules within that training course. So if I clicked on the manage button of an existing course, you'd be able to see the name, and then here you'll be able to see the visibility, the course type, the modules within this course, and I would be able to edit those courses and also dictate if they had to be completed in a specific order. I could add video slides, even import PDFs and make them part of the process within DeltaNet Academy as you create your own custom training courses. In DeltaNet 7, that experience is very similar, but with an updated and streamlined user interface and user experience. Now, you're going to simply click on the Education button. Clicking the Education button is going to take you into DeltaNet Academy, and you're going to be able to see a list of all of the training courses that are already in your system. If I click on the three dots button, I'll be able to manage the categories of my different courses, and I'll also be able to generate a progress report, which will show me all of the agents in the system and the courses that they were assigned, completed, if they have any past due, and I can view the details of those courses in more detail. If I wanted to filter my courses, I'm able to come into the system and show only courses that are assigned to me, courses that are in various categories, completed, incompleted, if they're published or if they're drafts. If I wanted to create a new course, I'm going to simply click the new course button. We're going to select which category this is going to go under, and we can create that new course, which is now going to open up the updated editor for how you're going to upload thumbnails for that training course. If this is an active course that everybody can see, or if it's a draft, and then we can start getting into more advanced settings, like if there's any prerequisites needed to view this course, if it unlocks any widgets by completing this course, or if it unlocks user roles and you has visibility into it. Then I can click on the modules tab, and this will show me all of the modules or training courses that should be a part of this specific class. I could add an existing module and see a list of all of those, or I could duplicate that module to add it. I could create a custom module from scratch, and I can add slides, import my PDFs. All of the things that you were able to do in 6 have been carried through. And then if I click on the quiz button, it'll dictate if there should be a quiz that's asked whenever somebody is taking this course. And you can add your quiz questions and dictate how many passes, how many questions they need to get right in order to pass that quiz. So we could say, hey, we want them to get 90% of the questions right, or 70 or 80%. We can allow them to retake it or not retake it, or allow an admin to review after this course has been completed. If you wanted to look at a specific course, I can look at it in the DeltaNet Academy widget and simply click on that course. And this is going to give me the details to view the assignment, or I can also edit this if it is a custom course that I've created. I can get a direct link to the course, duplicate it from here, or disable it. So it's a much streamlined user interface to manage DeltaNet Academy. If you have questions about adding or modifying your course content in DeltaNet Academy, please reach out to support@deltagroup.com. Thank you.